All right, they're going to go get that. While she's getting that, we'll begin. Court is calling 2024 CR 008663 State versus Imani Robinson. Can I have parties announced?
Galloway for the state.
David Andre Woodard for Ms. Robinson.
And are you Miss Robinson?
Yes, ma'am.
If you review the documents entitled Motion to Revoke Community Supervision and First Amendment Motion to Revoke Community Thank you. To revoke community supervision with your attorney, did you understand it? Okay. Are you the same Imani Renee Robinson who was placed on community supervision in 2024 CR 008663 for the offense of theft of property less than $2,500 with 2 or more convictions on December 5th, 2024 for a term of 4 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
State?
Violation of condition number 4 in Bexar County, Texas. The defendant, Imani Renee Robinson, did then and there fail to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of May, June, July, August, September, and October 2025 in violation of condition number 4.
How you plead to that, true or not true?
True.
Judge, we would abandon the remainder.
Any objections?
No objections, Judge.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 4, the court could find it true, grant the motion, sentence you to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $2,000 fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 4?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find violation of condition number 4 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
Judge, this is the defendant's first MTR. We are asking that the court deny the state's motion and alter and amend her conditions to include the hostility management course and a no contact order with Talian Mackey, and that is TALIAN MACKEY.
All right. So why hasn't she reported?
Judge, when I spoke with Imani regarding not reporting, I think what happened is the new offense had occurred. She knew that she would likely have a warrant, and I think she got fearful of reporting to probation. So instead of doing the
flashback.
Has learned her lesson and will definitely comply with probation. Has learned her lesson and will definitely comply with probation.
Nope.
All right. So this is the 3rd time she's probably learned her lesson from stealing. Why do you keep stealing?
Before I wasn't in a better position than what I am now, and that was something that I picked up in a bad habit.
What, a bad habit of stealing?
Yes.
How do you develop a habit for stealing?
It was just something that I chose to do. It was a choice. And
But I mean, I'm just trying to figure out, how do you develop the habit for stealing?
it just happened, you know, and
Well, I mean,
Something
did you
that
all
was-
plan? Did you all say, hey, let's go to Don and Ben's and take tequila?
Yep.
no, it wasn't anything like that. Like I said, I was in a bad predicament, and I was using that to like pay rent or do any, just
It was at this moment that she knew she fucked up.
making any
No, I
type
don't
of-
know. Because, and let me just explain to you why I don't realize that.
Understand.
Because people will spend money on their wants, but not on their needs.
Right.
And what I'm reading in here, everybody in the vehicle was dressed to the nines. So obviously there was money for clothes, there was money for hair, there was money for nails, there was money for gold, there was money for gold grills, but then people are saying they're stealing for other things that I don't understand.
Right.
And then going to Don and Ben's, the officer said that the car smelled of marijuana, and you all just went to Don and Ben's grabbing tequila. So I don't understand when people say, oh, I needed rent. Who's out here buying stolen tequila?
I don't smoke, so I don't know.
No, I said, who's out here buying stolen tequila? Did you take orders where you just say, hey, anybody want tequila? Because it's saying that you took
6 bottles.
Yes, of tequila, 2 coconut bottles, reposado,
Yes.
and
Regular.
so see, she remembers. So why? So that you all could drink and have a good time. How old are you?
I'm 28. I was 17 at the time, and that was just how I was making my money. There's no excuse for it. I'm not making no excuse for it. And like I said, that's something that I'm not doing anymore.
End of flashback.
What she should have done first, we're here now on this motion to revoke with months of not reporting. As the state mentioned, this is her first MTR. She has been on GPS monitor since the court set a bond for her, and she's had no issues on the monitor. So we're respectfully asking the court to follow the state's recommendation and try to get Ms. Robinson back on track so she can successfully complete her probation.
How old are you?
29.
All right, I'm gonna give you your choice. These are your only choices. There are no other choices. 1, I can revoke you, and if there's no objection, I'll sentence you under 1244 to 300 days in the Bexar County Jail. Or 2, I continue you, and as a condition of your probation, you're gonna do some jail time, and it'll be 30 days jail. Which do you prefer? You need to discuss that with her?
I would like to, Judge, before she makes a decision.
All right, thank you.
Let's go ahead and see.
What has your client decided?
Which decision are we going to do?
On the record, let's keep it down.
30 days and continue on 300 days.
I want to be my 300.
All right. Oh, do you have the,
I think you got 30 days to get close.
all right, can I have a trial court certification, please? All right, court is finding violation of condition number 4 true. Court will sentence you under, well, the court will revoke. Sentence you to 300 days in the Bexar County Jail under 1244. Give you credit for any time served. There's to be no contact with Don and Ben's, BEN''S, BEN''S. There's to be no contact with Talon, I believe it's Talon McKee.
I believe that was the name the state put on the record, Judge.
All right, is there anything else with regards to sentencing?
No, Your Honor.
All right, let's review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney. Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yeah.
Yes or no? Did you understand it and sign it? All right, you have a limited right to appeal. That right to appeal is as it relates to the allegations in the motion, not the fact that you're on community supervision. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you.
Thanks, Judge.
Thank you.
Good, I'm taking her to custody, right?
Yes.
Oh.
And I don't know, counsel, if she has anyone here that she has things she would like to give to them.
Yes, I thought I said, we're gonna do that. We're not, please.
Yes.